Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to print or export WhatsApp messages. Follow these easy steps. Go to your WhatsApp and go to the conversation that you want to export and tap on this three dot at the top right and tap on more. Tap on export chat and here you can export or print the whole conversation including media or without media. So I'm selecting without media and here you have to select Gmail. In this to field you can write a dummy Gmail and just send the mail. Now go to your Gmail and go to the send box and open the mail that you just sent currently, and here you will find this WhatsApp chat.txt file. Tap on the file now. Go to your file manager and go to the download folder, and here you'll find the WhatsApp chat. Open the file and here you'll get your WhatsApp messages. As you can see, my all messages are showing up here. So this is how we can print or export WhatsApp messages. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.